The disappearance of Likle Omphile Sithole continues to send shockwaves across South Africa as new details emerging from court proceedings paint a troubling picture surrounding the circumstances under which the child vanished. The National Prosecuting Authority, commonly known as the NPA, has now officially confirmed that Omphile's parents were not living with her full-time at the family home in her Mabuyela village. Instead, the 2-year-old had allegedly been placed under the care and custody of her grandparents while her biological parents stayed in Gauteng. The grandparents, identified as a 52-year-old Ngalapana Vinolia Mabuyela and 54-year-old Lesiba Jackson Ledwaba, appeared before the Mahwelereng Magistrates Court facing charges related to child neglect. According to the NPA, the case falls under Section 60(11)(c) of the Criminal Procedure Act of 1977, a section often applied in serious offences where the court must carefully consider bail due to the nature of the allegations. In a statement released after the court appearance, the NPA said both accused were in a domestic relationship with the victim as defined under the Domestic Violence Act. Prosecutors emphasized that the two were responsible for the care and well-being of the child at the time of her disappearance. Authorities say the case first began as a kidnapping investigation after a report was allegedly made at Tin Mine Police Station. It was claimed that Omphile had been kidnapped while sleeping inside the home. But as police investigations continue, investigators allegedly uncovered evidence suggesting that the child may have been living in neglectful conditions before she disappeared. This discovery ultimately led to the arrest of the grandparents. The shocking turn of events has raised many difficult questions across the country. Many South Africans are now asking how a child could allegedly disappear from inside a home without anyone noticing suspicious activity immediately. Others are questioning whether there were warning signs before the disappearance that may have been overlooked. Community members in Mahwelereng and surrounding villages remain devastated, with many residents describing this case as one of the most painful incidents they have witnessed involving a young child. Since Omphile vanished, volunteers, police officers, community leaders, and local residents have reportedly participated in searches, hoping to find clues about the missing toddler's whereabouts. Social media has also been flooded with emotional reactions, prayers, and demands for justice. Many people online expressed sympathy for the parents, saying leaving a child with grandparents is common in many South African households due to economic pressure and work opportunities in bigger cities such as Johannesburg and Pretoria. However, others argued that the tragedy highlights the importance of ensuring children are always in a safe environment with proper supervision. Child protection activists have also weighed in on the matter, saying the case reflects deeper social challenges facing many families, including poverty, unemployment, overcrowded households, and limited access to social support systems in rural communities. Experts say children under the age of 5 are especially vulnerable and require constant supervision and proper living conditions to ensure their safety. Meanwhile, police investigation into Ompile's disappearance are still ongoing and authorities have not yet confirmed whether foul play is suspected in the child's disappearance itself. At this stage, the grandparents remain in custody. The matter has been postponed to the 25th of May 2026 for a formal bail application, where the court is expected to hear further arguments from both the prosecution and the defense. As the investigation continues, South Africans across the country remain hopeful that Ompile will somehow be found and that the truth behind her disappearance will eventually come to light. I don't even know what to honestly say about this case, but my question still remains: where is Ompile? The case has once again highlighted the painful reality of missing children cases in South Africa and the emotional trauma families and communities experience when young children disappear without explanation. For now, all eyes remain on the ongoing police investigation and the upcoming court proceedings in Mahwelereng.